Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are using the Realme Narzo 90X and in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Assistant easily. If Google Assistant is turning on automatically or you want to activate it, don't worry. Just follow the steps carefully. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Now without wasting any time, let's get started.